In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a drop-down menu in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data for a project or simply making your spreadsheet more interactive, creating a drop-down menu is a skill that can enhance your Google Sheets experience. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. This could be a new sheet or an existing one where you're managing your data. If you're starting from scratch, head over to Google Sheets and create a new document. Once your sheet is open, your next step is to decide on the cell or cells where you want the drop-down menu to appear. Simply click on the specific cell, or if you're adding to multiple cells, click and drag to highlight them. This selection will ensure that the drop-down menu is placed exactly where you need it. After selecting the cells, navigate to the top menu bar of your Google Sheet. Here, you'll see various options for manipulating your spreadsheet. You need to click on Insert. From the drop-down list that appears, select Drop-down. This is one of the easiest methods to insert a drop-down menu into your sheet. Alternatively, you can achieve the same result by right-clicking on the selected cells. In the context menu that appears, simply choose Drop-down. Both methods will take you to the next crucial step in the process. You will now see the Data Validation Rules panel appear on the right side of your screen. This panel is where the magic happens, allowing you to customize exactly how your drop-down menu will function. Under the Criteria section, you'll be faced with a decision. Do you want a simple drop-down with manually entered options? Or do you want it to pull from a range of data that's already in your sheet? If you choose drop-down, you'll manually enter the items that you'd like to appear in your list. This option is excellent for creating commonly used, predefined selections. On the other hand, drop-down from a range allows Google Sheets to fill your drop-down with data sourced from another cell range, which can be ideal for larger datasets or when the list options frequently change. Once you've decided on your criteria, it's time to customize. You can add as many items as you need for your list when manually entering, and adjust the range if selecting from existing data. After finalizing your drop-down settings, don't forget to click Done. This action saves your settings and activates your new drop-down menu, ready for use in your spreadsheet. And there you have it. You've successfully created a drop-down menu in Google Sheets. Utilizing this feature not only saves time, but also adds a level of professionalism and ease to your data handling. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it adds great value to your future projects. Thanks for watching.